What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing
Good. Ladies and gents, look at this. How beautiful she is looking. Oh. Do like this. Hey. Okay, so Akshata जाने वाली है for a wedding function.
It's my bestie's wedding, so there are like
आपने actually you
3
said it in
days
the last
of-
videos,
yeah.
but yeah, वो है.
So check out our Instagram to see us in nice traditional avatar.
The Aki life, the H2 life. Let's go, boys and girls. और ladies and gents, तो आज हम लोग जो करने वाले हैं हम लोग ने पहले किया नहीं है. We usually react on to YouTubers, skits and videos and stuff. लेकिन आज हम करने वाले हैं Tata's business empire. How big is it? ये वीडियो है द फिल्मी कट चैनल पे. सो अगर आपने वीडियो देखा नहीं है तो उसकी ओरिजिनल लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. डू गो एंड चेक इट ऑन फिल्मी कट चैनल. एंड या सो रतन टाटा इज अ पर्सन जो मतलब सब लोग उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. ही इज लाइक अ रिस्पेक्टेड मैन.
He is so admirable
He is
and
definitely-
like the way he has grown the company and help India also grow.
इंडिया
With
के
that
लिए
is
जितना
really
रतन टाटा ने किया इट्स
very
लाइक
respectful.
वेरी रिस्पेक्टेबल. ऑब्वियसली एवरीबॉडी लव्स सर रतन टाटा. लेकिन आज हम लोग जानने वाले कि टाटा का बिजनेस एम्पायर लाइक हाउ बिग इज इट.
I had done
टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरे को नहीं पता है.
Yeah.
आई नो टू द फैक्ट कि दे ओन जागुआर एंड यू नो स्टारबक्स एंड स्टफ लाइक.
I had done a small project in my MBA and I was like literally blown away at that time because there is so much about Tata that we don't know. And of course that was like a couple of years back, so now of course it's grown much more.
ऑलराइट गाइस, सो जल्दी से अपन वीडियो चालू करते हैं क्योंकि अक्षता को जाना है फॉर द हल्दी सेरेमनी. ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Let's start.
दिस म्यूजिक इज
Bombay House. This is a simple looking head office of the Tata Group in Mumbai, India. But Tata Group is anything but simple. Started as a small trading company by Jamshedji Tata in 1868, Tata Group now has more employees than Toyota, Coke,
Wow.
Facebook, Microsoft, and Google combined.
What?
It now operates in over 100 countries.
Wow.
So let's tighten our seatbelts and take a world tour to witness the remarkable business empire of Tata Group. Our first stop is North America. Here Tata Group owns the luxury hotel Taj Campton Palace in San Francisco, Taj Boston, and one of the world's finest, and New York's iconic hotel, The Pier. Tata's Tetley Tea is the second largest tea company in US
Oh, Tetley
and
Tata
largest
ka I
in
didn't know
Canada.
this.
They also
I
own
didn't know
popular
this.
brands like Good Earth and America's third largest coffee company, 8 O'Clock Coffee.
Yes, I
Tata's
know.
IT service company, TCS, operates 24 offices in North America. And while their animation and design lab, Tata Elixir, also operates in 8 plus locations.
सो आई थिंक ये अकॉर्डिंग टू सब लोग का जो लाइक मे बी करियर चॉइस है उनका जो लाइन है उसके हिसाब से पीपल नो. अभी इसको इसका पता था
Yeah.
राइट. यू न्यू अबाउट दिस. उसको कॉफी पसंद है, उसको कॉफी का पता था.
I
तो
know
इसका पता- I
Alexi
did not know.
because my cousin used to work in Alexi for a
Okay.
bit.
मेरे को ये पता नहीं क्योंकि अपने लाइन के साथ आई डोंट थिंक इट. बट एक्चुअली वी शुड नो बिकॉज इट इज लाइक यू नो सच अ प्राउड थिंग फॉर इंडिया.
Yes.
बट चलो अभी तो पता चल ही रहा है, सो इट्स गुड.
in the region. In manufacturing sector, the group operates a soda ash mining company in Wyoming, iron ore mining company in Quebec, Canada, steel manufacturing facilities in Ohio and Pennsylvania, and also a coffee production plant. In all, Tata Group employs over 20,000 people in North America, about 3 times more than how many people Microsoft employs in India. Now let's travel to South America. TCS employs more than 8,000 people in 8 countries in South America. The group is also an investor in the first submarine fiber cable network between US
Oh.
and Brazil.
Wow.
Tata has also owned world's largest subsea fiber cable network. Today,
Wow.
25% of world's internet routes travel over Tata's subsea networks. From South America, let's travel to Africa and land in the port city of South Africa, Cape Town. Here, Tata Group owns the historic luxury hotel Taj Cape Town. In nearby Zambia, they own Taj Pamodzi, one of the most luxurious hotels of the country. Tatas also operate 2 wind farms in South Africa and a hydroelectric power project in Zambia. The group also owns Jokels, South Africa's
Like, these are
third
the
largest
stuff
tea
जो हमें
company.
पता भी नहीं है
Tata
यार.
trucks and buses are one of the top sellers in Zambia, South Africa, and Kenya. In manufacturing sector, Tata owns a chemical plant in Magadi, Kenya, which is Africa's largest soda ash manufacturer, commercial vehicle assembly plant, and a steel plant in South Africa, and finally a manufacturing and a power plant in Mozambique. From Mozambique, we will move to London, Buckingham Palace, Queen's official residence. Close to the palace, Tatas own the luxurious Taj 51
look at
Buckingham
it.
Gate Suites. The hotel also has the world's first Jaguar suite for all the Jaguar lovers.
Oh,
Wow.
a Jaguar theme room.
Nearby,
Hotel
the
room,
St.
very
James Court Hotel is also owned by the group.
Wow.
Tata's Tetley is the largest tea company in the UK. Their other European tea brands include Vitex, a popular brand in Poland, Jemka, the market leader in Czech Republic, and Grand, a coffee brand in Russia. Tata Steel is one of Europe's largest steel maker, and TCS has been awarded as the best employer in Europe.
Wow.
Jaguar Land Rover is also owned by Tatas and is the largest manufacturer of premium vehicles in Britain. The group also operates design centers in London and Paris and one of the world's largest e-learning company in UK, Germany and Switzerland. Tata employs around 60,000 people in Europe and is also UK's biggest industrial employer. To end it all, Tatas also own a relatively small company called British Salt in the UK. An Indian company owns British Salt. Quite ironic if one remembers Gandhi's Salt March carried out
let's
against the
go.
British Raj only 88 years ago. Now let's travel all the way to Sydney, Australia. Here in Sydney, TCS began its first operations in Australia, and now the company operates across Australia and New Zealand with over 10,000 employees and clients like Qantas, Telstra.
You know, after seeing this, you feel like how many people are employed
Exactly.
by. Na? Like, up India, mein, there are so many people. Out of India, also so many people are
Yeah.
employed. Yeah, very nice.
Very impressive.
and Commonwealth Bank. Tatas also own popular Australian coffee machine brand MAP and operate data centers across Australia through their partnership with NextDC. The group also holds stake in Scarborough Downs coal project in Queensland, Australia. Finally, we have reached Asia. Let's start in the desert sands of the Middle East. Tata's Range Rover is one of the most sought after four-wheel drives in the region. Tata Motors is also a leader in the medium and heavy commercial vehicle segment in GCC countries, while TCS has multiple offices in the Middle East, including an all-women IT services center in
Wow.
Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The group also owns Titan
Saudi
Motors,
Arabia, nice.
a leading brand in Oman and Bahrain. They also own logistics company in UAE and the luxurious city hotel Taj Dubai near popular landmarks like Palm Jumeirah. Finally, Voltas, Tata's leading air conditioning brand, has completed major mechanical and air conditioning projects that include Burj Khalifa, Dubai, international airports in UAE
What?
and Bahrain,
Wow.
Ferrari Experience,
Wow.
and
Oh my
F1 racetrack in Abu Dhabi. Southeast Asia.
Amazing.
From deserts of UAE, we will move to South Korea. Here, Tata owns South Korea's second largest heavy commercial vehicle manufacturer, Tata Daewoo.
Tata Dev, I remember.
In
you remember
Singapore,
Dev guy?
Yeah.
Tata's steel plant is the largest single cut and bent steel operations worldwide, while the group is also the largest producer of long steel products in Thailand. Tatas also own stake in oil and gas blocks and coal reserves in Indonesia and are developing power generation projects in Myanmar and Vietnam, and even operate a life sciences research company and own plantations in Singapore and Indonesia. Even Tata's Voltas has executed engineering projects like New Hong Kong International Airport and Cyberport Business Park in Hong Kong, China. Here, TCS has 6 global delivery centers, Tata's own 2 rolling mills, a refractories factory, an auto parts factory, green tea manufacturing plant, and also have a Jaguar Land Rover assembly plant. We have reached South Asia, the beautiful and scenic Maldives. Here we will find the lush Taj Coral Reef with white sands and scenic view. Moving ahead to Sri Lanka, Taj owns the picturesque Taj
Oh
Bentota
my god.
and 2 more hotels in Colombo. Tatas also provide telecommunication services in Nepal and Sri Lanka and have even deployed a hydro project in Bhutan. After our long world tour, we have finally reached India. Here, TCS is the largest Indian company.
TCS becomes the first Indian company to hit $100 billion in market cap.
Tata Motors is a leader in commercial vehicles segment. Titan Company is India's largest manufacturer of branded watches. Tatas also run largest jewelry store chain Tanishq. While their Tata Power is India's largest integrated power company. Tatas also own steel plants, tea plantations, automobile manufacturing units, chemical factories, and even own mobile networks and DTH company Tata Sky. Not only that, they operate airline Vistara and also manufacture.
I want to fly by Vistara यार.
Yeah.
मेरे को ना जब ये लॉन्च हुआ था लाइक मेरे एक दो दोस्त जाके they were like this is like you know the service and everything is so nice. जब ये actually जाना था तभी Vistara was not flying to those destinations. So
manufacture defense helicopters and equipments. Even Starbucks in India is jointly owned by the Tatas. Tata has not only created a massive business empire but also multiple social institutions like cancer treatment centers, mathematics and science research institutes, and also the first planned industrial city of India, Jamshedpur. 66% of the group shares are held by a charity trust. Across the world, the company has
This is
been
the thing,
involved
yeah.
in multiple social programs. Tata is truly an incredible company
God,
and
I'm
has
getting
traveled a
goosebumps.
long way from Mumbai to be now present all across the world. All I can say is this is Tata's business empire.
Oh my god.
crazy most.
This
crazy.
requires a salute. Like, oh my god. Like,
You
we know Tata is huge, but then this is like,
Next level huge.
I did not know they
Even I
have
did
such a huge presence all around the world.
मेरे को तो टेटली टाटा का ये भी नहीं पता था जैसे वो हिसाब से मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं पता था
I
at
think
least knew
I
something.
think I knew most of the things because of that one project that I did.
Obviously you cannot have knowledge of everything.
Yeah.
So मेरे जैसे आप में से बहुत लोग रहेंगे जिनको ये वीडियो देखने के बाद में knowledge आएगा again. This just creates more respect
Yeah.
for Tata, like being an Indian company doing so well. और what I realized यार कि जब ये होटल की चेन दिखा रहे थे ना, I was like why don't we stay in Tata
Exactly.
hotels?
We always prefer like
हम लोग जब भी जाते हैं ना we have
Marriott,
this हाँ क्योंकि मैरियट की मेंबरशिप है. हम लोग ने फर्स्ट टाइम जब भी गए थे एक बार वेस्टिंग तो तभी उन लोग ने वो फ्री मेंबरशिप दी थी और तभी से हम लोग वही यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो या अभी वो हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे. सो आई वाज लाइक कि व्हाई डोंट वी यूज़ टाटा के होटल्स.
yeah. And all of them are like so majestic and
सो या अभी हम लोग के पास
amazing.
कुछ स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स है
Yeah.
मेरिट के. सो मे बी आई यूज दैट और उसके बाद में वील टेक मेंबरशिप ऑफ टाटा होटल्स इफ दे हैव मेंबरशिप एंड देन वील स्टार्ट यूजिंग दैट.
Yeah.
इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर ना.
It's such a proud moment.
It is.
Like it's a proud thing for Indians that such a big Indian company is like doing so much for people all around the world.
World, yeah, seriously.
And we know so many things about companies like Google, Microsoft, but we don't know about our own
देखो मेरे जो काफी
companies.
दोस्त है who are working in TCS वो
Same.
लोग बोलते हैं कि their experience like work experience is so amazing over there. I think एक जो है friend उसका कोविड में where obviously all companies का business was
Down,
affected.
yeah.
उन लोग का तो भी पे दे वर गेटिंग पेड इन फुल, सो
Yeah.
किसी का भी पे बे कट नहीं किया था. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट व्हेन यू वैल्यू योर
Employees that
you
much.
there is just like the feel that
Yeah.
employees get and the connection they make with that company is like just amazing. बाकी I think in India it's like employee की उतनी
कदर
कदर
नहीं
नहीं
होती.
करते. Like any of the company,
Yeah.
this is a fact. इसके ऊपर कोई भी deny नहीं
Yes.
करेगा except like in Tata Group. From what I have heard, there might be other companies, but from what I have heard, Tata is like the best in this.
Yeah.
All right, so this will be it.
This will be it.
Something new we tried and something amazing we came to know.
Yeah.
We got a lot of knowledge
Yes.
today. So yeah. Alright, ladies and gents. So thank you very much for joining us today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to drop a
Like
and we will see you guys in the
next one.
Instagram पे follow करो.